Would you still pay full price for Apple AirPods if you found a smarter option that could save you a lot of money?
Most people think buying renewed means taking a risk, but that's not always true. Sometimes we spend more money simply because we believe expensive always means better. But smart shopping isn't about spending more. It's about knowing where real value comes from. That's exactly why more people are starting to look beyond the price tag. Here's something most people never realize. The real value of a product isn't just its price. It's how much that product improves your everyday life. Sometimes the smartest purchase isn't the cheapest one. It's the one you'll actually enjoy using every day. A great purchase shouldn't just make you happy today. It should still feel like the right decision weeks later. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you might completely change the way you think about buying premium tech.
Now here's the interesting part. What if you could enjoy a premium product without paying the premium price?
Most people never even consider this option, simply because they don't know it exists.
And honestly, this little case surprised me more than I expected.
At first glance, it looks exactly like the premium design people expect from Apple. But the real surprise isn't how it looks. The best part isn't what's inside the box. It's how much value you're getting when you choose wisely. I know exactly what you're thinking. It's renewed, so is it actually worth buying? That's the first question I had too. But these aren't random used earbuds. According to the listing, they've been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned by Amazon-qualified suppliers. For many people, the smartest purchase isn't always brand new. It's getting premium quality without paying the highest price. And honestly, that's exactly why more people are giving renewed products a second look. Sometimes buying smarter isn't about spending less. It's about knowing where the real value is.